Looking for the best canteens? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 canteens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Coleman Kids Wonder Lake Canteen. Made for kids with a bright, colorful design and adjustable shoulder strap. Soft fabric exterior. Easy for kids to grasp and use. Made by a top brand in outdoor gear, Coleman's Canteen that's designed for kids and is a fun choice for young outdoor enthusiasts. Doesn't provide much insulation, so it's not likely to keep water cold. Quite small. At number 2. Goatland Stainless Steel World War II US Military Canteen Kit. Made to look like canteens used by GIs during World War II, this model is constructed of stainless steel and comes with a cup. Features a 1-quart capacity. Easy to carry. This canteen is value priced, functional, and sports an appealing vintage design. Flimsy and awkward to use. Occasional rust and leaks from the cap noted. At number 1. Keith Titanium T3060 Canteen Mess Kit. Constructed of titanium that's strong, lightweight, easy to clean, and rust resistant. Canteen holds a bit more than 1 quart. Kit includes a rugged canteen cover and titanium cup and lid. Lifetime warranty. A quality titanium canteen with useful extras. Although pricey, frequent campers, hikers, and more find it worth the investment. Covers fasteners are difficult to secure. Cup handles feel flimsy. Expensive. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.